Alright guys, today we are in paper modeling by M. Swanow. We are making number 5, the kitchen table. So you're going to cut out a square that's 7 by 6 inches. And now we're going to fold this just like series 1. So fold in half, then fold each part up. Fold in half and fold this part up. Now we're going to draw on legs. So I'm going to cut that part. We'll cut this part off and this part. I need to make this the same. I try to make these the same length. Alright, so now we're going to cut these squares off. What? There. And you're gonna fold it like this. See how that folds all nice and up? And paste it on the inside in each area. So you want something. This does not sound very sticky, does it? I'm gonna take them. Now try to hold it up. Alright, now you have a table. Mine's kind of rickety.